Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. More of my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Market's about to open 10 minutes. We had quite a move up in the morning here. This was due to news, unemployment news. If you guys remember, at the end of the stream, I was talking about how this news actually might be big. It's unemployment news, unemployment numbers. Usually it doesn't do much, but because we have no news this week, I was saying that the market might be starved for some news, and there you have it. News we got. Broke out of this triangle. Let me make a channel here. The reason why that's significant is because you can literally pass any single account on Apex with one single trade. It's a make or break news event, and if you trade max contracts, choose your direction correctly, you pass your evals, and now you're fully funded. It's that easy. Apex doesn't care about how you trade or pass your evals. When I saw the huge move start to go down after the nonsense in the morning, I started to try to take a lot of shorts, and I was able to make some bamboo. I was like up like 400 at a certain point in time, and then last couple trades just wiped me out at the end of the day, and it's unfortunate. Unfortunate. Right now, top left of your screen, you can see that we have about 1,600 in threshold left. Should be plenty for today, but hopefully we can make back some bamboo that we lost yesterday. We're fully funded, so sucks to lose these accounts. Be nice if we can preserve them. I mean, yesterday I started the day off plus 800, just right off the bat, and I could have just been done for the day. I really could have. And then like almost every single trade after that, I just lost. Difficult day yesterday. Got chopped up. I mean, look at the 5-minute chart. This is how you know you overtraded. When your chart starts to look like this, you're like, ah, it looks like I don't know what it looks like, but that's how you know you're overtraded. This nonsense here that lasted for an entire morning session just chopped me up. But then it started finding some good movement afterwards, which was nice. We're spiking channel right now. And we got open in about 5.5 minutes. Trading a Nascraq right now, Pandas. It is absolutely living up to its name. It is cracked out of its mind. Selmo 1 morning, Kyle L morning, Summer and Rockies. Good morning, guys. If you could go and travel to one place, where would it be? If you could travel to one country, like, okay, not like one time in your life, but like, if you could go right now, like tomorrow, and just enjoy that country, where would you go? Ricardo, good morning. We're gonna get that bamboo today, Pandas. I feel it. Hopefully we don't just get chopped up. But even though if it does get choppy, we gotta learn how to trade that chop. We gotta learn how to trade with those limit orders. The Netherlands. I think watching the Olympics had me like thinking, like, where should I go? Should I visit one of these countries? Netherlands. They beat the U.S. in the mixed relay right after the U.S. made a world record on the semifinals. They lost to them in the finals. That world record will be broken very soon, though. Wild Rush. Join the army there. Help the cause. Kyle says Netherlands. Ricardo says Amsterdam. Amsterdam would be fun. If you're like young and single, Amsterdam's a great place to go. It used to be really nice because, you know, marijuana used to be like one of the few places you can just buy weed. Legally, like just at a bar. But now you can pretty much buy it anywhere. Bill 7, good morning. Second entry long here. I'm interested if it's coming off the spiking channel. I would like it off my 20 EMA and also off my trend line. If it's not off both of these, I'm not interested. I mean, you could tweak this to look maybe something like that, but still hasn't touched it. I'm impatient here, Pandas. It's the second entry long, though. Close to market open. Market open is 1.5-ish minutes. I like the spiking channel. I like the uptrend. I like it if it touches my support. We're not on any support right now. In fact, we just made overlapping bars. Could turn to a trading range. Hansman, good morning. Yeah, put in the comments or put in the chat, Pandas. Where would you, if you could go somewhere tomorrow, like let's say the weekend. If you could take a weekend trip to a country, where would you go? Wow, says I just been chopped up these past couple of days. Yeah. It is the most frustrating. It will test your character. It will test your resolve when it comes to trading. It will really, really make you question, is trading for you when you start to hit chop like that. I mean, it's bad. Like you go long, like the moment you go long, it reverses on you, and it's like crazy to think like, why would people be selling at this entry point? It's crazy. But it takes years. It takes years. Kansas is the Panda Land. It's like Candy Land. What was Michael Jackson's house called? Like Wonderland or something? Kazakhstan? Wait, for real? Like, sometimes I don't know if you guys are kidding or not. Is Kazakhstan for real? Like, a real, like, option? Market just open, Pandas. Bouncing off of our 20 EMA with a pretty big signal bar here. So first bounce. We're in this trade. I'd like to scalp 10 if I can. Just take the hit. I don't want to risk, 40 points here for that setup. I could try to enter again down here, but I'd rather wait for like a higher low at this point. Yeah. If you can't hold the risk, don't go into the trade. That's the moral of the story. I still feel like we're in a trading range type situation here. Ooh, strong bear bar ending on its low. Can I get back to the top of the trading range? Higher low created here, possibly. Can I get back to the top of the trading range? Is it possible, pandas? It's a no-go. Absolutely a no-go right now. Try one more time to go long here. Back to the top of the trading range. This one I will hold. Oh, I need more. I need more. Let's get back to the top of the trading range. If we can't get it. Oh, second entry long. Takes me out here. Jeez, alright, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, what did I do to you? I mean, I have to get back to the top of the trading range. I gotta try. Ooh, it's looking kind of bearish now. Going way beneath the 20 EMA. Yeah. I mean, strong uptrend. Market opens, starts to reverse. I'll take a trap here. I mean, it looks like a trap. Looks like it wants to reverse now. Probably retrace this entire move. No entries, just waiting. What is going on here, pandas? Trap. Wow. I mean, he starts to show reversal, signs of reversal, and then just rips my face off. I'm going to bust these accounts. Are these accounts busted? I think accounts are already busted. Can I get into a trade? Ah, goodness gracious, pandas. Ah. Sorry, pandas. We're gonna start sim trading now. Back to sim. Jeez. Pandas. I mean, I just tried to get back into trading range. It wasn't giving it to me. I tried to take the reversal when it starts to break down. It doesn't give it to me. It's bad. It's bad. Now that my counts are busted, we'll probably get a nice setup here. I mean, at least at the top of the trading range. If not... Now that my counts are busted, we finally get a decent trade here. It's annoying. Or not. Jeez. Alright. Sorry. Pandas. Pandas. This is crazy. This is so hard to trade. Goodness. The Nascraq is cracking me out. I gotta take this trade. I gotta take it with 2. I have to take this trade. I gotta change it. Whoa. Ooh, is this a good short? Is this a good short all of a sudden? Coming off our trend line? Coming off our 20 EMA? Or, sorry, coming off our... this is confusing, Panis. Potential trend line here. Second entry short. It's a second entry short here. I mean, should I just do something really cheeky?
Target filled.
Thinking we're gonna follow this trend, this channel here. I have seen it do it before, but not today, Pandas. I try to buy it and bounce it back up. Pandas, this is wild. Pandas, this is wild. Yeah, we had news at 8:30 today. The market went berserk on the news. This was the news candles. And I mentioned yesterday that the unemployment numbers today could really move the markets, because the market this week there was no news really, and that was the first news really this week. So I got clobbered. I'm getting clobbered right now. All right, Pandas, we're going to the heavens on this one. Second entry long, 5,000 tick, a bajillion points. $48 points right here. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I think we're good. I think we're good, Pandas. I think we're fine. Nothing to worry. Everything's fine. Pandas, I'm sim trading right now. By the way, this is sim trading. Just in case you didn't notice, my accounts right now, top left, they're busted. So I'll have new accounts ready for tomorrow. I passed some accounts with this news, but right now, no funded accounts for the stream. Oof. Jeez, I mean, imagine the people going long here, like we are. The amount of pain you have to hold into this. Like, it's actually a limit order market. Like, you should be able to buy down here and be okay. I think. Get back to up here, essentially. Outside bar reversal on one single bar. Jeez Louise. It's a straight up downtrend right now, though. Yeah, these 4 accounts are done. I have a couple more in the bank, but they'll be ready tomorrow. Wow, look at how much risk you have to hold for this trade. Goodness gracious. Come out break even if you wanted to. It's like one of those like days you have to just hold the risk. A huge risk here just to get your trade going. Trap trade here. Could be a decent trade here to take. We are currently in a downtrend, balancing off our trend line. Actually might be okay to just abandon this trade right now that we're in. I don't know. I mean, this channel is actually very good. It's unfortunate. Goodness gracious, that was crazy. This trap trade. Whew. Coming back down to the 5,000 tick, 20 EMA possibly here. It's like such a high chance that this trade loses at this point. Like, might as well just reverse it, just thinking at least you can make up this little money back if you can with such a high degree of certainty. We're in a downtrend, pandas. I mean, simple as that. I should have got on my trade right there once it reversed off of this trend line. Now we got the 20 EMA on the 5,000 tick chart. Rocketing off of it right now. Do I think Apex will do 90% off soon? Who knows? Truly, who knows? It'll probably have to be some sort of holiday. Labor Day? 90% off Labor Day sale, maybe. This is brutal right now, these markets. I'm trading these markets so poorly. To go short right here, to me, is a bit crazy. But I guess it works. Huh. Jeez. Big pain the last couple days. By the time you feel like you want to go short, it's going to be too late. Like now, like, do I want to go short? Hanzo, they owe me 14K without any reason. What happened? Was it DCA? Did you change your contract sizes? What excuse did they give you? What reason? Or did they say, like, you might have violated one of these rules? $14K is a lot. No DCA, all by rules. You should honestly, you should sue them. If you literally feel like there's nothing you did wrong, 14K is worth suing. Small claims court. It's probably cost you like a couple $100, maybe like $1,000 to get a lawyer. If you really felt like you did nothing wrong. Because that money's yours. This thing is just, it is just absolutely getting flushed right now. I have no entries. I just need to go short anywhere, everywhere. Okay, try to go short on a downtrend. It's overextended now. have to do a video like I'm trading and describe my strat to prove that it's me trading and no one else. All right. I mean, that should be too hard to do.
Target filled.
Is this a break to a new low? No. Honestly, it's just flushing. Like, it's flushing right now. Made a little bamboo back. Breaking the trend now. Clearly above the 20 EMA. There's no other prop firms. They're too expensive. The others are just way too expensive. There are other prop firms out there, but they're just too expensive. I'm looking, pandas, trust me. I've been doing my research, but still nothing comes close to Apex, even though they may deny you a couple times. It's like, if you stick with it, like, they'll eventually get you a payout, but it's like, it's just nothing cheap enough for now. The potential of being able to get payouts, a lot of people do get payouts. I'm not sure why Hansman is being denied his payout, but it's like, what can you do? Other than complain. Top Step is expensive. Like, it's so incredibly expensive. Okay, we're reversing here. Wait, we're in breakout mode. I just need to buy. I'm just gonna buy something. I just need to buy something. You just gotta buy. You're in breakout mode, you gotta just buy. It's when it's breaking out like this, it's too hard to wait for a pullback. Small consolidation here. You could come up break even if you're worried about this consolidation. Bill 7 says Panda once again got chopped up this morning, down over 2K, now up 880. Get out of there. You've already won. Hansman, your story is kind of interesting. I'm surprised. I'm just confused. What are they doing? They're asking you to trade with like recording yourself, I guess now. I'm not sure like what that necessarily proves, but is that too much to ask, I guess? Like, have you done, let me ask, have you done that and are they still denying you? You didn't do the video yet, okay. Well, I guess, is the video worth $14,000 for you? Making the video? Wow, it says, if they ask me to record, I'm 100% doing it naked. I don't know. If Daryl sees that, he might get excited. I have no idea. Probably breaking out with the second entry long here.
Target filled. High or low here?
Big down, big up. V bottoms here.
Target filled.
We're in breakout mode right now. It's absolutely flying. Probably test the overnight highs. Breaking through the overnight highs. I mean, if you want to make money, you gotta just go long. And it's scary, but you just gotta do it. If you want to make money in this crazy market, it's gotta go long. Anywhere, everywhere. Imagine how many videos they had to review to pay out every single person they asked for a video. Big down, big up. Buying out the bottom of this channel. There's no other entries really in this whole uptrend. Just buying at the bottom of the channel. It's the only entries I can find right now. Maybe a second entry long here. It could A top here, right? Big up, big down, right? Big down, big up, and big down. It can just be a big trading range day today. When you start with a big down, big up, it can turn to a trading range pretty easily. You're trying to buy the bottom of the channel, didn't work. Second entry long is another opportunity here, but like I mentioned, big down, big up typically means trading range, so look for a reversal instead. Second entry long here. I'll try. First breakout trend, spiking channel. Just look for a new high here. One to one.
Target filled.
Taking that one to one.
Target filled. Target filled.
AMA 66 order is just like a Apex acolyte here. Goodness gracious. I mean, I like Apex, but I'm not like, you know, you gotta realize that people complain and then they should listen. Because they're the ones paying their bills. Still strong uptrend, in my opinion. Pro-capitalism. That's part of capitalism. People complaining. And then they make their product better. And other prop firms come out providing a better product. That is part of capitalism. All part of the system. I don't love it. It's getting very choppy here. Still feel like you're better off just buying with limit orders. Still. New high was created. Strong bear bar ending on here is low. If you were to set limit orders, where would you set it? Probably down here somewhere? Like this? Just buying the the close of this bear bar. Alright. Cool. Lee says 18255. Down here. Wait, 18255. Right here. Alright, Lee. I'll give you one chance. If you're wrong, I'm never listening to you again. Inside bar. I mean, our uptrend is still healthy here. Okay, triggering second entry long here. Possible, okay, maybe not. Still waiting for something here. Limit order bears are trying to step in. I don't think they're going to last very long, though. I just felt like I had to buy there. I felt like it was going to pop up, just like it did. Could be the final push. Could get burned here. Looks like I'm getting burned. Okay, we're not. I'll come up break even at any time. My greedy panda paws want to hold on to this one. It's all good. Limit order buys still coming in. Limit order sells still coming up here. Inside bar again. Jeez. It's very choppy. You know, it's going up, but it's very choppy. It's kind of creating like another spiking channel here. I mean, shall I dare? Is this chop over? I mean, how do you make money in this market? It's too hard. I'm trying to get with limit orders, but it just seems so arbitrary where they're buying them. Starting to break out again. Hansman, see the NQ 5-minute last bar on it. The 20 EMA took it. This one here or this one here? Just bought it. I mean, again, it's like you just gotta buy anywhere, everywhere if you want to make money. It might be starting to top out here.
Target filled. Target filled.
Just buy anything, everything. That's the name of the game right now. Just buy anything, everything. I'm just buying with limit orders near the bottom of the previous candle's lows. Just because I cannot get in any other trade. I'm scalping. Bottom of the channel here. Gonna buy it. We're just in a monster uptrend, so gonna buy anything, everything. Don't tell me you missed me by one tick. Missed my entry by one single tick. Industry. Just trying to scalp out here. Limit order buys all along this super strong uptrend. Just gonna keep with my limit order buys. See what happens.
Target filled.
First target filled. See we get the second target here. It's popping up a little bit. Bouncing off my trend line. I'm just buying limit orders off my trend line here. The trend is so strong. Looks like I won't get my second target here. Oh, looks like I will. Looks like I won't. Looks like I will. Looks like I won't. Alright. All good. Second entry long off the 20 EMA. Gotta take it. Second entry long, you gotta try. You're in a super strong uptrend. Any excuse to go long is good. Terrible looking signal bar though. Pushing beneath the 20 EMA. Should I reverse it? I could. No trade so far really makes me feel like, oh, I gotta take this 100%. Second entry long. Okay, triggers. You gotta get at least a 1-to-1 on this. Two to one here. Do I want to reverse it? Is a question. It's such a strong uptrend. Strong bull bar. That's what you want to see. You like to see some follow through. None given. We're simming, by the way, pandas. Alma says, I like Kamala's slogan, bring back the joy. Is that her slogan right now? Should I just you want me to martingale? Which way though? Which way should I martingale at? I really like this trade. This higher low here. Got a failed trap here, higher low setting up. Good for like
Target filled.
first target hit. Whoo! Almost fills me there. Not quite yet though. Not quite yet. Hold it. Hold it, pandas. I don't even know what's happening. I have so many orders set up. This looks about right. Something along these lines. You just sit back, relax, and enjoy the profits, pandas. Trading is that easy. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the profits, pandas. That's not good. That's not good, pandas. All right, it's looking better. It's looking better. Okay, popping out. That's a really good sign for us. Like a really good sign for us. Absolutely amazing sign for us.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Where was this trend when we needed it, pandas? Where was this trend when we needed it? Is the question. Coming out to break even now. Where was this trend when we needed it? Where was this trend when we needed it, pandas? Goodness gracious.
Target filled.
Where was this trend when we needed it, pandas? This, I love this. I love all of this that what happened here. That's what I need to wait for every single day. Just something that looks like this. We still got a couple runners going here. Looks like our runners are gonna get hit. It's all good. I think we made enough bamboo today to be happy. We hit most our targets. We hit most our targets. That's what's important. I really like these setups here. Right, balancing off the 20 MA, super strong uptrend, first breakout trend. I mean, everything about it was nice and juicy. The hard part is to wait for this all day until you see it. We're still in this trade though, miraculously. I'm thinking we're gonna hit the previous week's low. That's what this dotted line is, the previous week's low. It seems like a good magnet for us. I don't know. Might be, may not be.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. I gotta show Apex this for sure. I'm gonna just send this video to Apex without any context. You know, the nice thing is, maybe you should always record yourself when you trade. Because since I'm already recording myself, if I ever get denied, like, we don't think this is really you trading, and I'm like, what other panda is out there trading like this? That's a frustrating thing about markets like these. It's like you just gotta buy anywhere, everywhere. It's just like, I mean, it's a second entry long at the end. Ends up working out nicely. You have to show your face and your ID? Yeah, no problem. I got a Panda ID right here. People think this is like some sort of program. I'm actually in real life. This is what I look like. But when I go out into the real world, I put on a human face. I actually have a human mask that I've had to put on.
Can you get a 100k eval and let me trade it live on your channel? How's that possible? Like remote in. Copy trades. I think if you have Replicanto, you can like remote copy trades, which is like you all connect to the same Replicanto like server, and you can like connect your Replicanto. So if I make a trade, it will copy on your Replicanto, which is like really cool. I'll take my 23k of fake money and be happy with it today. $22. Should I go for it? All right, watch this. Manuel R. Thanks for becoming a panda. Appreciate it. Thanks for your support. Currently, we're actually putting a pause on the pre-market show, so sorry for those if you're joining just to do that. Still on the road to 100k. It's actually true. Oh man, I mean it's like you know, it hasn't been my year. It's not the year of the panda today. Or this year. It's not the year of the panda. Just when you think, just when things start clicking, you realize, man, you got a long way to go. It's been a hard journey for sure. This year has really tested my resolve. Very difficult. I mean, it came to a point where I switched to NQ. That's what it became. Like I got desperate. I was like, I gotta change it up. It's so terrible. This is the EMINI. It's so choppy, so slow, no volatility. Just barely moves. Can barely find an opportunity during stream hours. Sometimes I go the whole day without taking a trade. NQ, I haven't had a day yet where I'm like, I can't even take one trade today. There's always something, just because so much more volatility. It's a year of the stop loss for sure. Stop loss hunting, that's what it is. Year of the stop loss hunting. I mean, we got quite a big move today. Look at the daily chart. Starting to turn to a trading range, looks like, actually. Weekly chart. Whoa, it's a huge reversal candle. We have one more day, though, so we gotta wait for it to finish. Pandas, I'm taking breaks on Fridays until the summer's over, so I'm gonna be taking a break. Maybe I'll start getting back on it after Labor Day. Go back to streaming every single day. But for now, just taking a breaks on Fridays. So just to let you guys know, I won't be streaming tomorrow. I'll be back on Monday. Today's Thursday, right? If today, as long as today's Thursday, that's true. I'm pretty sure today's Thursday. We'll see. We'll see. Who knows? The market can do anything. The calendar can do anything. The calendar just goes up and down, up and down. Who knows? Gets choppy, chop you up. One day it's Wednesday. Next thing you know, it's Tuesday. Is that not true? That's not true. I take it all back. What is going on, man? It's still going to uptrend. Mega uptrend here still. The 5 minute actually looks wild. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bull bars in a row. 8 bull bars in a row, pandas. Wow. That's pretty crazy. Don't forget, the 5 minute chart, we never filled the gap. We never filled the gap. We got so close. We actually never filled the gap yet. Here's a gap here, right? This line, I'm extending the close on Friday. And you notice we missed it by about 3 points. 3 to 4 points. So we may try to fill it today. We may try to fill the gap today. I wouldn't be surprised. Not sure how much more there is left for us here. I keep practicing my limit order trading. Strong bear bar ending on slow. Okay. Could be a decent push down here. The 5 minute may finally find a pullback here, right? You can see that this is all one single leg up. We haven't broken a previous candle's low yet. We may do so right now. It's a lot of candles without breaking a previous candle's low. I'll tell you that much. And the pullback's most likely gonna be small. So if it does, it's most likely going to be bought up. Second entry long here. I'm skipping the second entry long for the main reason being is because we're on a resistance here, and I think we're gonna break a previous candle's low on the 5 minute chart. So I'm gonna sit on my pause here. Could be a mistake. It might pop up. It looks like it is. You ever make a 1-to-1 on that trade? Last trade of the stream. I mean, might as well. Might as well. Might as well. Last trade of the stream. Go big, go home. Uh-oh. 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 That's not good. That's not good. Pandas! No! Alright, Pandas. We're done. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. Remember, Monday, Pandas. And just have an amazing weekend. And hopefully you guys will get back next week better than you were last week. And that's yeah, journey is one step at a time, Pandas. This journey is one step at a time, Pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. Have an amazing weekend. And with that being said, Pandas, trade safe everyone. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.